So as I said, there's two parts. There's the loan and there's the forgiveness. We're not going to get into the details of the forgiveness, but the amount of the forgiveness. This next part may be surprising to you as a loan applicant, but this is how the loans are going to work in terms of repayment. So as I mentioned, $100,000 loan, you have 6 months where no payments are due, and then this is your payment here. Now within those 6 months, you should provide the documentation to your bank. You really should provide it as soon as that 8-week period is up. And those documents will be provided to the SBA, and they will explain what has been forgiven of your loan. And that amount forgiven is going to forgive principal and interest accrued up to that point on that principal. Now for a simple explanation of how that's going to work in terms of your repayment, let's just assume that $90,000 is forgiven. This aspect of the loan has changed a number of times, but this is how it's going to affect your repayment, and it might not be what you expect. So your original loan was $100,000. Within the 6-month period where your payments are deferred, you provide your documentation, and $90,000 of your loan is forgiven. So now you have a loan amount of $10,000 at 1%. So that loan is, the payments on that loan are deferred for 6 months, but your first payment is still based on that original loan amount. So your first payment is still $5,627.70. Your second payment then will be everything left to pay off the $10,000 plus 1% interest. So this loan will actually be paid off in 2 payments, not in 18 equal payments over time, because the loan payment is based on the original loan amount, not the principal amount after 6 months. This is something that's changed recently, and you need to understand that you can't just use those funds for a number of things and think you have a long time to pay off that $10,000, because you can imagine if your loan starts getting bigger, if this was $1 million, this is a $50,000 payment if $900,000 is forgiven. A $50,000 payment that you're going to have to make on that day 6 months from when the loan is originated. The information contained in this video is not to be construed as legal advice. This is for informational purposes only on the Paycheck Protection Program. This program is changing almost daily, and this video was prepared on April 7th. So everything that you hear, bring it to your legal advisor or financial advisor so that they can give you up-to-date information and information specific to your business.